In this tutorial, let's look at how to round corners in Figma. So you can round the corners of basically any element here in Figma. That includes frames, shapes, and even images. So this first element here, we have a frame. Now we don't have our corner widget here, but over on the right-hand side in the Design tab, we actually do have a corner radius option. Now you can increase the corner radius just by clicking on that icon and dragging to the right or left to increase or decrease it. You can also set a very specific corner radius. Let's say I want it to be 50. There you go. I've got a 50, I believe it's pixel or could be point corner radius. You can also set corner radius by corner. So you don't have to have them all linked together. You can set individual corner radiuses. Maybe I just want the top left, top right, but the bottom I want to be not rounded. So there you go. You can undo the corner radius of the bottom there. Now you also have 3 dots here for corner smoothing, which you can bring up or down, and it shows you where the iOS corner smoothing is. This is basically saying like the corner radius isn't a perfect circle. It kind of adds this bit of a smooth effect to it. Makes it a little bit more organic looking, if you will. Okay, so that's a frame. On shapes and on images, you actually get these corner radius options, which are kind of nice because you can just click on them and pull them in to edit the corner radius of your shape. And if you want to edit a single corner radius, just hold Option on Mac or Alt on PC while you click and drag that corner in and out. And finally, same thing for photos. They work pretty similarly to shapes. You can edit the corner radius here. And of course, with both shapes and photos, you can see that edit over here in your Design tab and make changes to it just like you did with the frame earlier. So corner radius is very easy to edit here in Figma. And remember, just hold that Option or Alt to edit or unedit specific corner radiuses to specific corners here in Figma.